Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chainute. If you're new to my page, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today I have a new video that I've never done before, and it is a advent calendar. So I got this in the mail yesterday while I was redoing my office. By the way, this is a new backdrop that we put up yesterday. It's a wallpaper that we put up in the back of our office. So I have a whole bunch of frames that's going to be going up here. It's going to look super dope. But anyways, I got this package and it is heavy. I wanted to open them up for you guys and just kind of go through them with you because I've only gone through one and it was a full-size Huda Beauty liquid lipstick, and I was like, hold up, like this would be really fun to show in a video. And I think people do this, they like show advent calendars, like they open each day up, and I ain't gonna wait till Christmas to open each day up because A, ain't nobody got time for that, and B, I don't really celebrate Christmas, so this is a cool way to save some money on some full-size products and some sample products. But I'm excited to see what's in here because this whole thing is valued at 680 pounds. So I figured I would open each one up with you guys, see what you get. It's available, I know, on October 1st. No, this is not a sponsored video. This is just for fun and maybe get you in the spirit a little. And if you don't celebrate Christmas like me, that's totally okay. You can capitalize on the sales that come out after Christmas and during Christmas. I can't lie, I do love the festivities of Christmas and how jolly everybody is and the positive vibes. I do love that. First one, day one, comes with a little sachet, which feels really soft and luxurious, obviously, because it's Harrods. Okay, so the first thing I got is a Tata Harper Next Generation Beauty Face Visage, which is a regenerating cleanser. I've never tried Tata Harper before, but I think Estée Lauder raves about their skincare line. So day two, I actually opened day two up, and this is the only one I actually opened up on Instagram. And it is a Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Spice Girl. And it is like a perfect movie. I leaped on my pants. Day three. This is actually really heavy. Let's open this one up. Day three, we have a Omorovicza Budapest Blue Diamond Concentrate. What does this say?
This says Omorovicza Blue Diamond Concentration. Yeah.
This is the 30 milliliter, so this looks like a full-size product. It's an elixir. Never heard of this brand before, but it sounds expensive. 4. What do we got here? Feels like a full-size product. What? Full-size? I mean, like, your skincare will be pimped out by the end of this, alright? Alright. So this is a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream infused with all-powerful guarana extract. So what does this do? Siri, what is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream?
Here's what I found on the web for what is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream.
Oh, pronounced boom boom in Brazil. Bums are a nationwide obsession. The secret to a brilliant Brazilian booty, even if you're shaking it in a slightly less temperate climate, which is enhanced with guarana, a native Amazonian plant that is one of the most potent forms of caffeine on the planet, for stimulating circulation and keeping posterior at their smoothest. Well then, I will be putting this everywhere. Day 5. Oh my god, I love Fresh! This is the Rose face mask. I love this face mask, and I used to steal it from Huda's. I remember when I was in uni, I used to steal this from Huda and put this on all the time, and she used to come home and yell at me because Fresh was the stuff that I wasn't allowed to touch. Infused with real rose petals. I've actually tried this. It is amazing. It's like a gel mask, like a cooling mask. And this is a legit big size, 30 ml. I need to do this more often. This is a lot of fun. Day 6. This feels like a sample product. Yay! Bobbi Brown Beach Longwear Cream Eyeshadow in Beach Bronze. Full-size product, full-size product. So it is a Bobbi Brown eyeshadow. It is a bronzy color. Take your finger, rub all over your eyes. Get yourself a really Vogue look. Day 7. Ooh. Ooh, this is so cute. This is the Secret Brightening Powder for Under Eye. Laura Mercier, look how tiny this is. Oh, this is so tiny. I think this is perfect for travel. I bake with this up, so this would be enough for one application for me. But I think this is a different formula than the translucent. This is the Secret Brightening Powder. So this you don't need to use a lot with. You kind of, I've tried this before. I personally prefer the translucent one over this one, but I'm excited. I know Kim Kardashian uses this stuff. Well, used to. Now that she has her own makeup line, I'm assuming she uses her own stuff. All right, day 8. What do we get? Okay, so we have Supreme Baume Le Noir at Night Sicily Paris the Supreme Anti-Aging Cream. This is in 5 milliliters and it seems like a night cream. Okay, travel size. Smells rich. This is so much fun. I understand the love for this now, YouTube. We have a blusher. This is by Suqqu Pure Color Blush. Never heard of this. It is a either Korean cheek duo. Ooh, the packaging is very luxurious. It feels like iron. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. It's like an ombre blush. Seems like a universally proper color for almost all complexions. Day 10. This seems extremely light. Oh, yep. It's a sample product. Sarah Champman Skin Assist Intense Hydro Booster. Now, can I just say, I have the entire Sarah Champman line. I don't know if mine has gone off, but basically it smells horrible, okay? I sniffed it. I was like, I can't put this on my face. I called them and I was like, listen, is it supposed to smell like this? She's like, what does this smell like? It's supposed to smell delightful. I'm like, no, it kind of smells like compost. And then they're like, they kind of got offended. But I'm like, I'm being honest with you. It actually smells bad. And I'm not going to go on YouTube and tell people. I can't even try it to give them a proper review because I can't even put it on my face. So do I have a bad batch or does it smell bad? We will find out now. Okay, this smells like a very milder version of the skincare that I have. So I think the one I have has gone off. And she was like, where'd you get it from? And I'm like, I got it from here. She's like, no, they should not be expired. And I'm like, I mean, why does it smell so bad? But this smells like a very milder version. Day 11. So it seems like we have a mixture of full-size products and sample products. Sunday Riley. I love Sunday Riley's makeup removing balm. And I love their serum, their salicylic acid serum. It's amazing. Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Never tried this before. Day 12. Oh, oh. This is actually really cute. BioEffect EGF Serum for improved appearance of skin. Never tried this before. Look how tiny this little sample container is. Now, I'm more excited about the container because when I go traveling, I'm so annoyed in taking my Caudalie Vina Perfect serum in the entire jar that I will use this or whatever. And I'm so excited for this to finish so I could put it in here and I could just take it everywhere with me in this tiny little thing. It's so cute. Day 13. Okay, this seems like a full-size product. We have Dr. Sebagh Serum Repair Hyaluronic Acid Skin Moisturizing Revitalizing Serum. Hyaluronic acid, you can never go wrong with hyaluronic acid. Everybody should be using this stuff. It helps your skin absorb moisture, and it is a staple in everybody's skincare stuff. So I have the ordinary version of hyaluronic acid, but I'm excited to try this. Day 14. Ooh, what's this? Precious Pearl Ice Cube by and Semonin, which is, what is this? What is this? Formulated with hyaluronic acid, white pearl extract, and silk protein rich in amino acids to remineralize the skin. These ice cubes are powerful, but ice cubes? I need to see this. Kind of like a capsule filled with serum. Light up the complexion and reduce the appearance of sunspots, aging spots to unveil the more even skin tone. Day 15. Full-size product? I think 2 sample products. So what do we got here? We have the Philip Kingsley Moisture Balancing Conditioner. And I'm assuming this is the shampoo. Bodybuilding shampoo. Perfect travel size. Day 16. Sample. Ooh! We have a Bi-Terry Compact Dual Powder. So you use this part to mattify and this part to glow. Never seen something like this before. Day 17. So this is, ooh. Ah, I've tried this before. This is the Clinique Vitamin C. It's like potent vitamin C, and you don't, it's not mixed until you release it. So you pull this off and you press on the button, and it gives you like it mixes a dose of vitamin C into its like liquid form, and then you can use this for like a week. It's perfect for travel. 18. Oh, Givenchy. This is the Givenchy Rouge lipstick. Ooh, what's this? How does this work? Complex. Ooh, this is like a classic red. That's so pretty. Day 19. Feels like a full-size product. Yep. We have the Clarins Hands and Nail Treatment. Never tried this, but I need something for my cuticles. Just for soft hands, so you put this next to your bedside. I love putting things like this next to my bedside, because I can't really blame it on being lazy, because my hand cream is right next to there. Right before I go to bed, I like to put some hand cream on to avoid aging. What's my excuse if it's right next to my bed? You know what I mean? Definitely a full-size product. Okay, this box has nothing on it. It's a blank box. So this is Celestial Black Diamond Cream. So it's an anti-aging cream. The cream utilizes an innovative delivery system of black diamond microspheres to transport transformative ingredients into deeper layers of the skin. Use day and night after cleansing. Ooh, scientific. By the way, do you guys watch Black Mirror on Netflix? Such a good show. Day 21, we're on our last row. Sample. This is the Nature Bisset Barcelona The Sheer Eye Luminous Restorative Eye Cream. You know what? I haven't heard of 90% of these products that I've mentioned. It's a little eye product, little eye cream. Interesting. I mean, okay, where will I get the time to try all these different things? And will I see results with sample products? Do you know what I mean? I've always wondered, okay, so what's the point of a sample product? Because obviously it's not enough for you to take you to seeing results. Is it just to see if you react to the product, maybe? I don't know. Comment down below if you know the answer to that. I understand like makeup products because you instantly see, okay, that lipstick does not suit me. Like, I'm gonna try the sample, and if it doesn't, you know what I mean? But when it comes to skincare, it's very tricky. Aw, this is so cute. Nars Velvet Lip Glide. Every time I get Nars stuff, I get so excited. So it's like a little nude lip gloss. This is a very pretty color. And the color Bound. I know you're tired of loving with somebody to love. 23. This is the Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash by Charlotte Tilbury. It is a under foundation lit from within luminosity. Oh, so it's like a makeup primer. Wicked, wicked. Ooh. Ooh, it's very radiant. I like how it's golden toned. 24. We're almost done, guys. Second last one. No! This definitely feels like a full-size product. Hey! Didn't I mention them before? They really try to make this one fit. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. The first time I tried this, Amr purchased it for himself, and then I just took it for myself. It is their facial cleanser, like a gel facial cleanser. Sets up pretty good. Does this job, and it's not overly drying like it says. I like this stuff. Amr, you give it back now. I finally have one to give back to him. All right, guys, we are on our last box. I just like to thank my mom for the support. Oh, this is barely fitting. We got a Acqua de Parma perfume. Bruh, 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 bruh. So you get 3 perfumes here. We have the Essenza, Colonia, Pure perfumes. Oh, shoot. I think. Ooh. That's quite strong. Ooh, that one's nice. Colonia, Essenza. Yeah, this is my least favorite one. What is this? I'm definitely not giving this to Honor. Yay! I don't know why, I just feel like I've hit like a milestone in my life. This was such an exciting video. Still here, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link what this is called in the description box, how much all the product is valued for, and how much this whole thing is sold for. I know it sells in October 1st of 2018, so you guys can go and get yourself one. And there's a few other ones that I got as well that are like advent calendars. I got a Bobbi Brown lipstick advent calendar, and I got a Dior advent calendar, or I think it's an advent calendar. I'm not sure. But if you guys would like me to do more advent calendars, let me know. Like I mentioned before, I don't celebrate Christmas, but this is a perfect way to save on products. Full-size products, sample products, just to save in general. And then when these go on sale, I don't think this one will ever go on sale like discounted. But when other ones go on sale and you're getting something that's like 300 pounds for 70 pounds, which is originally like 500 pounds, it's worth the buck. I mean, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Bye!